Myself, Palak Agarwal. I'm an artist, and what we will make today is we'll make a butterfly doodle. We'll make this today. This is made with various patterns, and first we will make the patterns and the drawing, various patterns like this, and then the second stage is we will draw the butterfly. This is our final doodle. This is the shape, and these are all the patterns. For example, look, this is number 1. The number 1 is here. I will teach you all of it. Now let's start. First we will draw a big semicircle. You have to take one A4 size sheet. First we will draw a semicircle like this. Can you see? Then what we will do next is we will make this. What we will do for this, we will take it in this direction. Now what you will do is, first of all, outline your semicircle, outline your drawing. Basically, you have to do is outline your drawing. Thick line. Like this. See, it should be thick. It is just the semicircle part. Okay? And simple. This is simple, you know. Along the side of the semicircle, you have to take the curve. You know, then outline it. Outline your drawing. Then we will start making patterns inside the butterfly. Okay, I'm starting with the patterns part. That is the most important part. Okay, done with the basic drawing and the outline. See, it will get late. I'm starting. Okay. Look, now we will place our first pattern. See, look, the pattern is this, and this is the location here. Make it directly using the marker. Or what you can do is make it with the pencil first, and then afterwards, after the class, you can outline it with the marker. According to you, it depends on you what you want to do. What I'm doing is, if you feel like you're confident and you're so what you can do is you can directly do it with a marker, or you can use a pencil right now and then a marker. Outline it later. So first, what I did is I make it. See, this was our first pattern. I made a semicircle in this direction, and then what I'll do, I'll fill it with the circles, small circles. If you have made the butterfly small, yeah, your semicircle is small, you can skip one of my patterns, you know. You can skip one of my patterns, no worries. Okay. You have to be fast. This is only 1 hour class, okay? We are going with the next pattern. You have to be a little fast. I'm giving you 1 minute for this. This is very easy. Okay, the third pattern. Shapes like this left. Okay, first make a line like this. Make an inverted triangle like this. Done? Okay, I'm making the shape inside it. You also make it. Okay, the fifth pattern is simply this one. We'll take our marker like this and then make a spiral at the end. Look, we'll take the marker like this and spiral at the end. Take the marker like this and spiral at the end. Look. You are with me? Yeah, I'll take it slow. I'll show you the shape. You will take it like this and then make a spiral at the end. Again, the shape. You'll take it like this and spiral at the end. First, now, I'm just telling you, we will make the first 7th pattern, because 7th pattern is this one. First, we will make the upper part of the butterfly. We'll finish the upper part and then we will make the 6th pattern inside. You know, the end of your semicircle. Okay, what you will do, you will make a big semicircle, 2 small semicircle, again a big semicircle, 2 small semicircle. The pattern is like this and like this. Easy? Look, and okay, do it. And then inside the 2 small semicircle, we'll make a circle and we'll make a thick circle and a line in it. Here we'll make the shapes. In between our fifth pattern, okay? We will make a semicircle. Again, first we'll make a semicircle, then we will make two curves surrounding it. And then what we will do is we will fill the second, this is 1, 2, 3. We will fill. So what we will do next is this pattern. This is the 8th pattern. Basically we are making this pattern, this one. So what we will do is we'll do it like this. Look. Sorry, 9th pattern. We are doing 9th pattern. Like this, shape like this. First, we will surround it around this shape. The next pattern, that is the 10th one, this one. Slightly bigger than this, okay? And we'll make a grass in it, okay? Look, what we will do is, first make the drawing and then make it thick. Like this, look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yeah. Chalo, next pattern. This is our 11th pattern. 11th pattern is very easy. Look. Basically, two open triangles and then a spiral in the center. Looks like this. And a spiral in the centers. I'll show you. I am doing the basic drawing part. And then I'll make the lines thick. We have to speed it up. We have 16 minutes. So we have to be fast, including me. And then a spiral. Okay. Then I'll make the petal part now. That is the 13th pattern. Make it a little big so that your butterfly can be full. Okay. So this is our next pattern. Basically what we'll do, we'll make a line like this. You know, we'll just cover this part. You can cover it in any shape. Here I have covered it like this. You can cover it in any way you want and then create a mesh inside. The way we have created mesh in this, create a mesh in this. Okay, the next pattern is this one. This is the petal ones. We'll take it like this and bring it down. Okay, this one. Look what we will do. We'll make a pattern like this. Big petals we will make. We will make big petals. Look, after the drawing part, we will make it thick. Don't forget to make your lines thick so that your patterns can be differentiated. Okay? A random shape. Look how beautiful it is looking. Just make your lines thick. Remember, if you want to make this doodle art look beautiful, make your lines thick. Look mine. Look this. All the lines are very thick and every pattern is visible. You have to do the same. Like this. First we will make our triangle. Look. Like this. And this. Okay. And then we will make lines inside it. And then inside this part, we will fill it with dots like this. Making our own pizza, veg or non-veg according to you. So, the next pattern is the 15th pattern. Everyone is okay till now? You can click a photograph if you want to, and you can make it afterwards. If you want to, you can click a photo. Okay, so we'll do the 15th pattern. The 15th pattern is very easy. Basically, first you have to do is this is this drawing part. First, we will make it thick. I made it thick. Okay, okay. Thumbs up. Okay. Now I will divide it into various squares and rectangles. That too very random. Don't think much, and then create a thick line. Listen, now what we will do is the first part. I showed you 3 patterns, right? I showed you these 3 patterns, 1, 2, 3. What we will do is, we will follow the same pattern over here. Look, what I will do is the first one. This is the first, second, third. You don't have to mark. You have to just follow me. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The first one. We will just make little line over it like this, like a stroke, like a stroke. Stroke is like this. When we make a little stroke like this. Now you will make a strokes in the first part. We will make stroke in 3 directions. The first part, the second part, in the third part. If you don't feel like copying me in this, you can do it according to you. It's completely your wish. Look like this. I am doing it in this direction. Second box will give only this direction. Now third one, we'll start in this direction and this direction. Only 2 directions. What we will do next is the fourth box is the copy of the second box. Only this direction. Now we will copy only this direction. The second, third box we will just copy the pattern. This direction only. The fourth box is just the copy of the second box. Okay. The fifth box is the copy of third box. Look. This direction, and this direction. Similarly, this direction and this direction. Okay. Now the sixth box will be the copy of fourth direction. Only this direction. We will just follow the pattern like this. In 1 direction and then 2 direction. Make it like this. Look. The sixth box I made is in 1 direction. The 7th one in 2 directions. Look. Okay. The last one is this one. The last one we will fill the whole box. Look. Not completely, but in strokes. You enjoyed the class? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'm waiting for 2 minutes so that you can click a photo and finish it afterwards. Okay, bye kids. It was fun talking to you. Fun teaching you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Like the class.
अच्छा लगा ना?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.